Travel. Today we are unboxing a Mission to EarthPhase Moonshine Gold Hunter's Moon. That's the October edition of the Swatch Moon Swatch. And they provided, the golden blue bag, and the box looks rather nice. This is the one with the hand. It is the same box and packaging as all the others, really, or it feels like it. I Beat Everybody Snoopy and the Omega Swatch collaboration. And the bottom. And we can open that up and let's see what we get inside. We get the Mission to EarthPhase Moonshine Gold pamphlet. Do a quick flip through. Aside. Here is the instructions, and I'll give a quick pan through. You guys can pause if you need to read it. And then the other side, you can scan for more languages. Very well. And of course, we've got the advertisement for the normal moon swatches and the missions to the planets. This is the warranty card. Some more detailed instructions. And of course, the watch itself. There it goes. Again, this box is just cardboard. So nothing really special. Let's just quickly take the mask off and give you a nice look of the face. This band is different than the others. It feels different. It's a little more rubbery. And the Velcro doesn't go all the way down like the other ones do. Oh, let's get that to focus. And let's pan the back here. Ooh. The back has prints of the moon on the band. Oops. Let's see if we can, here we go. And the cartoonish Earth. That even makes it easier to, it looks like, change the watch bands. You can see there, it's got the buttons. So you can pinch those to take the band off, which the other ones did not come with. And just a quick set, so go, stop, reset. It's in first position. Second position will be to change the time. Third position, and the top one will adjust the moon phase. So we should see if I hold that. Oh, it's the Earth phase, sorry. You can see the Earth moving around. And the bottom one then would be the moon. That's how we adjust those. You hold it, and eventually it'll go into quarter cycles or eighth cycles. And as well, they provided a little blacklight keychain. And there's the light. Well, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Mission to EarthPhase Moonshine Gold Hunter Moon Edition. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a